So before I get started here, so the original audio on this file got corrupted. Actually, the video got corrupted, and I attempted to repair the video, and I was able to. Unfortunately, the audio was lost, and so that's that. So right here, drilling pilot holes for where I'm gonna place the mounting plate, and so there's actually 6 holes to drill, but I was only able to get 4 to actually line up. And you can see the doorbell wire is actually hanging out there on the side. And so right now I'm just switching the drill bit to the one that comes with the kit, and that one is substantially bigger, and so that's going to allow us to actually mount the bracket. And I really don't care about the audio being missing here, because really I didn't talk throughout the whole video. It was just background noise. Okay, so we're just gonna drill all 4 holes here. I'm drilling into some shutters or whatever that are later on I secured the shutter a lot better. It's kind of floppy now, and that's because I was trying to put the mount on, and I needed a little bit of flexibility so I could get to the wires in the back. But this one it takes a little bit of effort to get through, but eventually I do, like right there. And we're gonna slide I don't even know what you call those things that you put in there, but I do that on all 4 holes. I'm drilling my last hole. I ended up bending the shutter a little bit, but I was able to get it done. Okay, so putting in the last little piece, whatever. Oh, okay, so I was actually able to get 5 holes drilled in. Here, first thing you got to do before you secure the mount is you want to feed the doorbell wire through the hole. There should already be one if you already had a doorbell fixed to your house. So here I'm just attempting to feed the wire through, which is taking a little bit of effort, but I get it done. Okay, so got both wires through, and now I'm just twisting them up a little bit and get them ready to secure to the terminals that are on the mount. Okay, so before I screw it down, I'm actually securing the wires to the terminal. It's a lot easier to do it this way than to actually screw it down first and attempt to actually do that. Okay, so here I'm just tightening up the terminals, and the wires are all secure now. Now I'm gonna get ready to actually insert the metal screws so that we can get this thing secure. Now this is for the Zmodo Greet Doorbell, the 720p version. It has, I think, 155-degree viewing angle. Not sure. I think that's what it is. It's a pretty wide viewing angle. Okay, so this is all in real time. So total time it took me to actually install the bracket was about, well, the exact time on The video is actually 10 minutes and 5 seconds, but I skipped a little bit, like the boring parts where I'm just drilling holes or, you know. So my particular doorbell came with a Wi-Fi extender called the Beam, and it also came with 2 door and window sensors. So pretty good deal. And the window sensors connect to the Beam and they go off. It sends an alert every time your door opens or closes, or your windows. I'm not sure what the maximum accessories that you can add to the Beam, but when you open the app, it looks like there's only 2 slots that are available. So I'm just screwing them in by hand because you tend to overdo it if you're using an automatic screwdriver. So I just did it by hand, that way I don't have to worry about accidentally over tightening or going through the mount by accident. So it's very secure there, it's not coming out.